Good morning, my beautiful, beautiful, intelligent black folks. I hope that this day has progressed very, very well for you and all of your wonderful, wonderful loved ones. My beautiful black brothers and sisters, do you know, do you realize that any material that is a good conductor of electricity can be coiled into an electronic instrument component that is called a coil. And this coil, COIL, becomes what is known as an electromagnet. And what an electromagnet does is it is made of a material that is a good conductor of electricity. And you are coiling it very similar to the way my hair, my kinky, curly, coiled hair is coiled up, loop after loop after loop after loop. You can coil it counterclockwise or you can coil it clockwise. I believe if you take a strand of your kinky, curly, coiled hair and unravel the coils, you might see that these coils in our hair is going in a counterclockwise direction. It's kind of like if you cut kinky, curly, coiled hair real low, and if you look at the very back of the head, you can see a direction that the hair grows. It either turns to the left, or in some cases, I've seen it turning to the right. Getting back to a coil slash electromagnet, when you pass current through a conductor, then that is called electricity. One of the properties of a coil slash electromagnet is that when you pass current through the coil conductor, it creates electromagnetism. And the more coils you have, the greater the electromagnetism. And the closer those coils are together, the more electromagnetism is produced. I have said many times that black folks, people that look like me, have a physical connection to the universe. And it is through our highly melanated, coiled, kinky, curly hair. Melanin is a good conductor of electricity. My beautiful black brothers and sisters, do some research and you will find that real, R-E-A-L, melanin, the type of melanin that we have in our bodies and our hair is loaded with it. Our scalp is loaded with it. Those coils are creating electromagnetism. And it is through that electromagnetic medium, hence is how we establish a direct connection to that vast universe out there. Another thing regarding our beautiful, kinky, curly, coiled hair is that kinky, curly, coiled hair dissipates moisture much more proficiently than that type of hair, that animal-like hair that agrees with gravity. It falls, and when it falls to the shoulders, to the neck, or wherever, it is obeying gravity. Our kinky, curly, coiled hair has the ability to stand up against gravity. That is one of the properties that these electromagnets, these coils, are producing, my beautiful, intelligent black brothers and sisters. Kinky, curly, coiled hair dissipate moisture much more proficiently, efficiently than that other type of hair texture. Therefore, our kinky, curly, coiled hair does a much better job of keeping our scalp, SCALP, and our brain at a consistent temperature that keeps our brain cool, steady, at a correct temperature, because our hair does something that parallels how an air conditioning system works. In an air conditioning system, the objective is to steer the heat away from the area that the air conditioning system wants to keep cool. Well, very similar, our kinky, curly, coiled hair does something very similar in dissipating moisture more efficiently. It is helping to steer heat away from the scalp, the brain, etc., etc. Kinky, curly, coiled hair is stronger. It's more doable. It has more flexibility. You can do more things with it. It has better properties. And I could go on, my beautiful, intelligent black brothers and sisters. Be proud of your kinky, curly, coiled hair as I am. That's all I have on this one. Please go to the thrasherway.libsyn.com and please download as many of my podcasts as you can. We'll talk to you again soon.